So good day everyone. I am Megan Aleta, a student nurse from the Our Lady of Fatima University. So today we will provide a hot compress to the patient. So first we will review the client's chart and also to review the physician's order. Okay, so now we will bring all the necessary equipments that we will be needing for this procedure. So here are all the materials. Next, we will identify our patient. So good day po, ma'am. I am Nurse Megan, your assigned nurse for today. May I know your full name and date of birth?
My name is Caroline Mo Shah, born in 1987, February 3.
Thank you. So, may I check your advance for verification?
Yes.
Saan? Yan. Thank you. So, next we will explain the procedure. So, now I will apply a hot compress po to provide a good blood flow. Is that okay po ba?
Of course.
Thank you. So now we will close the door and window to provide privacy for the patient. And then now we will assess the patient's skin that in the area that we will apply the hot compress. So I will check lang po. Thank you. So now we will perform hand hygiene and put on our gloves. So now we will place a towel under the area that we will treat. So now we will apply the hot compress on the area. So ma'am, I will apply the hot compress na po. Mainit po siya. Sabihin na lang po kung masakit. Okay, thank you. So now we will inspect the part that we apply if it is effective. Assess ko lang po ulit. Okay, so we will remove the so now we will evaluate the patient. So ma'am, kamusta naman po yung pag-apply natin ng hard compress? Fine. Okay. So now we will remove our gloves and perform hand hygiene. And we will document and report if there are any abnormal findings and report it to the physician. So after performing hot compress, we will now proceed to doing a cold compress. So we will now assess the patient's skin area where we will apply the cold compress. Thank you. So now we will place the towel under the area. Next, we will apply the cold compress. Ma'am, apply ko na po yung cold compress. Okay lang po ba? Good. Okay. So this is to reduce your inflammation po. Okay, thank you. So now we will inspect the part where we apply the cold compress if it is effective. Just ko lang po ulit. Okay, thank you. So we will remove this cover. And then now I will evaluate my patient. So ma'am, kamusta po yung cold compress?
I will rate it a 8 out of 8.
Okay. So now we will document the procedure and report any findings to the physician. And now we will remove our gloves and perform hand hygiene.
Yoo-hoo!